Welcome. In front of me is a Samsung Galaxy Tab S6 Lite, and today I will show you how you can wipe cache partition on this tablet. Now to get started, you'll need to get a cable, plug it into your computer, and then connect it with the device. From here, we're gonna now access our boot options, so just pull down the notification panel, click on the power button right here, and then select restart. You can also choose power off, it doesn't really matter. And once the tablet turns off, you will want to hold the power key and the volume up at the same time. So select that. So once the Samsung logo vanishes, hold both of the keys. And then when you see the Galaxy, you can let go of the two keys. Now I'm strictly mentioned the Galaxy right here, so just wait for that to show up under the Samsung. From there, you'll be taken to the recovery mode. Now we can unplug our device, and in the recovery mode, you will need to use volume buttons to navigate up and down, as you can see. And power button will be used to confirm whatever is selected. Now with that in mind, you want to select wipe cache partition. So I'm gonna just swipe down once more, and then press power button to confirm it. And let's select yes, confirm. And at the bottom, you didn't see that because it was off the screen. It would normally start saying that it's wiping cache or formatting cache, then cache wipe complete, at which point reboot system now is selected by default. So all you need to do is just press power button once again. This will initiate a reboot and take you back to Android. And as you can see, we are now back in Android. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.